Hi, Russell Tuckerman's my name. I'm from East Gosford Physiotherapy and Exercise Physiology. And I'd like to just firstly say that I hope you and your family are well. And if you're deciding to self-isolate and or just stay at home, then it's very important that you keep up your regular regimes of exercise. Unfortunately, this may mean that you've stopped seeing your physiotherapist if you have a pain, or stopped going to your massage therapist, or your regular way of exercising. So that sometimes means that you have pain that comes back, or you're getting stiffer and other problems are developing. So East Gosford Physiotherapy has a plan for this, and we are now offering telehealth consultations to help you manage your physiotherapy needs into the future while you are staying at home. Please contact us on 43237499 and let us explain to you a bit more about how this system can work. We can assess you through the computer screen by asking you a number of questions and looking at how you move. What we do then is develop a plan to help you manage your pain and stiffness and hopefully give you a solution while you are staying at home, as some therapy is better than no therapy. We also have some options, because we are still open, that you could come in for some short episodes of hands-on treatment if needed. But if you're deciding to stay at home, or if you are self-isolating and telehealth is the only option, then we'll make that work for you to give you a long-term solution to your problems. So, as I said, give us a call on 43237499 and let us help you to understand how this can work for you. We'll give you advice of how to set up this system, and we'll give it a go. The first one will be complimentary, so it'll be no cost to you, and then we'll see where it goes from there. So I hope this can help you. So I'll hope to see you soon. Thanks very much.